I've never owned an air gun before, so this is the first for me, and also I've never done an unboxing for an air gun. So I'm looking forward to doing this. This wasn't sent to me, I actually bought it, and the reason I bought it because, well, I want to keep my computers clean, and I want to use this to blow them all out, especially one of them, which is my Mozart TX. It really needs a good clean, so we will be testing it on that one, okay? So the reason I went for this one, because it's got 3 different speeds, and it says, and I don't know how true this is, that this is one of the most powerful cordless air dusters, apparently. It's got 3 different speeds. It's got motor speed 5,000, is that 5,000? 50,000, sorry. 50,000, 70,000 and 90,000 RPM per minute, revs per minute. And it holds a battery capacity of 2,500 milliamps. Charging time is 2.5 hours. I will need to charge it up because, like I said, I want to actually use this. Working time, 1 gear is 35 minutes, 2 gears is 25 and 3 gears is 18 minutes. Now I'm probably going to be using gear number 3. So 18 minutes, it only lasts for 18 minutes, so not very long. Costs around about £60, so it's not cheap. Comes in a standard box. It wasn't sealed, the box was like this. So we have a little brush on a tube, apparently. We have a USB to USB Type-C connection, instructions, and hopefully the device itself. I did think it came with more connectivity, extras, you know, but obviously it doesn't. Let's get it out of the box. Nice bag, by the way, which I will be using to store it in once it's charged up and I'll finish using it, of course. Right, so it comes with an attachment already on it. I see. So does that just unscrew? It certainly does. Is it? Oh, it's just push on. It doesn't unscrew. Push on. Yeah, that's it. It's an air gun. And you may think, you know, why did I go for this one? Not just for the speed, but the fact is I did look at lots of different reviews on Amazon, on YouTube, and there's so many reviews out there on different models, and they all basically read as good as one another. But like I said, I went for this one because it's got 3 different speeds on it, and I thought that'd be perfect. So I think you have to hold it for so many seconds. Yeah. That's speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. Speed 1, turn it off. Hold the button to turn it off. So to start it, you hold the button in. I haven't even read the instructions and I've worked it out already. You hold the button in to start it. You hold the button in again to stop it. Like so. And change speed is just a quick press. USB on the back, or USB Type-C connection on the back for charging it up. Like I said, there is a lead with it, or cable. And I'm going to have a quick measure up, just to see what the size is. I'd say about 1 metre, maybe a bit more. Let me check. Got that wrong, didn't I? It's about 930 millimetres, so not quite 1 metre, but pretty close. So first impressions, it looks like it's perfect. Actually, let's just try it out on my keyboard, because I want to see if it can clean my little keyboard. I'm going to use the brush bit first. Turn it on. Oh. Oh, it's a bit sticky. Well, that looks all right. Yeah. So far so good. Now, let's try it out on my PC, the one that needs cleaning. I'm going to have to charge it up first and I'm going to have to take it outside. Luckily, the sun is shining. Right, this is the dirtiest PC I have, absolutely filthy. I'm going to take off the hard drive first, for safety reasons, and then, not for me, for the hard drive of course. Right, try it on speed 1 first. Should wear glasses by the way, and a mask. Try the brush now.
Many tic-tacs later.
Right, now I've gave this a good clean, and by the way, it does what it says it's supposed to do. 1, 2, 3 different speeds. I can't say whether it's the fastest in the world because it's the only one I've ever had. But it's my first one, and so far, gets my thumbs up. Very pleased with that. Now, what I need to do is find out whether or not this will start up. I know it starts up, but whether or not it's going to actually give out a display. I've connected the HDMI to this, rather than using my other monitor, so we want to see if it will output a display. Fingers crossed it will. Power's on, start her up, fans are running. I've got 4 fans there running, 2 radiators, got a fan here running on nothing because I was going to strip it down at one point. And we need a display. Come on baby, don't let me down. It's going to let me down, isn't it? Now, I think you should have had something come up by now. Oh, something's ranking up. I don't think it's a motherboard. I've got 3 lights on the motherboard. I've got an orange, a green and a blue. I will have a look to see what they stand for, but at the moment, doesn't look like she's giving out a display. Let's try it in another connection, just in case. Nope. Try one more. Come on, baby, don't let me down. Nope. Right. So it's a failure on that, baby. I'm not giving up on it at the moment. I'm going to carry on having a muck about with it. See if I can get her up and running. Well, it is running. But like I said, there's no display. So with that, yeah, definitely gives my thumbs up. For the amount of money it costs, it does everything it's supposed to do. Oh, one thing to bear in mind before I forget. Make sure you read the instructions, because it does say in the instructions, when you first get this, you should make sure you fully discharge it first, which is what I never done. I just charged it up. But I did read the instructions before I charged it up, and I thought, nah, I'm just going to charge it up and plug her in. But it does say in the instructions, charge it or discharge it first, and then give it a full charge. So with that, let me know in the comments whether you want to see more about this, and see whether or not I can get a display to pop up, or whether I'm going to be stripping it completely down and doing a rebuild. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.